Hello everyone, this is my SIT 313P2 welcome email task. So in this task, I have extended my Deacon website of first task by adding a newsletter subscription feature. The frontend connects to a Node.js and Express.js backend, and the backend uses the Mailgun email API to send a welcome email to the subscriber. So I will show you the subscription section. So here the user is going to enter their email address and click subscribe, and then JavaScript then captures the submitted email and send it to my Express.js backend using an HTTP post request. So here I listen for the form submission. We can see the prevent.default method. It stops the normal page refresh, and it then collect the email entered by the user. Then the fetch function sends this information to the backend using a post request. When the backend responds, it displays either a success or error message. And if we go to the so this is my server.js, this is my express.js backend, and Express receives the post request from the front end at this endpoint, and the backend reads the subscriber's email and then send a request to the Mailgun API. So for security purpose, I am not going to show you the Mailgun API key directly inside my source code. It is stored in a .env file. I have also added both .env and node modules to git.git.ignore, so they are not committed to the repository. So this is the most important part. I will now demonstrate the complete flow. I will enter the subscriber email and click subscribe. First I will enter the email, then I click subscribe. The front end sends the request to the Express. We can now see that the successfully subscribed, please check your email message is there. So we will go to the VS Code once again. So this is confirming that the full front end to back end to email flow is working. So this is the Mailgun dashboard that I use to verify the email delivery. During development and testing, I performed multiple subscription attempts. I also faced a local server issue where port 3000 was already in use. So I had to restart the Express server and repeat some of the tests. Because of these repeated test attempts, the dashboard currently shows 6 emails in total. 3 of these were successfully delivered, while 3 relate to earlier unsuccessful test attempts. For the final implementation, the important result is that welcome email was successfully accepted by Mailgun and delivered to the authorized test recipient. Here we can see 3 emails were successfully delivered, 50%, and then point like 3 by 6 delivered, and this is 50%. And then we can see the sending overview also records the accepted, delivered and failed requests from my testing session.